Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the auxiliary battery on a Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a socket set, and your new auxiliary battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. The auxiliary battery is typically located in the trunk, under the floor panel, or sometimes beneath the passenger footwell. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Use your wrench to loosen and remove the negative cable. Next, carefully disconnect the positive terminal. Once both terminals are free, unfasten any securing brackets or clamps that hold the old battery firmly in its compartment. You can then safely lift out the old auxiliary battery. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place the new auxiliary battery into its designated compartment, ensuring it sits snugly. Now, reverse the disconnection process. Connect the positive terminal first. Make sure this connection is very tight and secure. Then, firmly attach the negative terminal, ensuring it is also securely fastened. Reinstall any securing brackets or clamps to hold the new battery in place. Finally, let's wrap things up and test your work. Reinstall any covers, floor panels, or trim pieces that you removed to access the battery. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Now, start your Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 to confirm the new auxiliary battery is functioning correctly. Pay attention to your dashboard for any warning lights, which should now be off, indicating a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.